In this video we will show you how NoviSign has installed digital shelf labels in an Edeka superstore. Before NoviSign has installed its digital shelf screen solution, the wine shelf was equipped with very simple printed labels. These labels had to be changed manually whenever there was a price or product change. These manual changes were very time-consuming and used a lot of working resources. The changes had to be applied by Edeka employees and were only possible on site. The paper-printed labels were not very attractive and did not animate customers to have a closer look at the wines on display. After NoviSign has installed the digital label solution, the wine shelf has increased its attractivity significantly. The price labels are now illuminated with an animated background. It now attracts customers to have a closer look on the wines in the wine shelf. The totem installation is an additional eye-catcher and allows customers to scan the wine bottles that are on display and to obtain further information on the selected bottle. For product and price changes, it is not mandatory for Edeka employees to be on site. All changes can be performed conveniently from any computer, laptop or even smartphone that has internet connection. Changes that are done will then automatically update the live shelf data. Overall, this project of installing digital shelf screens at an Edeka superstore was quite complex. First of all, after inspecting the site, the correct hardware and power connection point had to be determined and ordered from the manufacturers. We then labeled all screens for clear identification of the location of each individual screen on the shelf. After this, all screens were pre-installed with the NoviSign Player software and a remote access for maintenance purposes. The screens were then mounted on customized rails that also act as a power distributor to supply each individual screen with power. The so-prepared hardware was then installed at the Edeka superstore and connected to the local power supply. The final installation now looks very attractive to support the great Edeka brand and image. The totem, together with the 40 screens that show the illuminated price labels, do not only attract customers to have a closer look, it also simplifies the workflow as now product and price changes can be done remotely by the Edeka employees. In addition to the installation, NoviSign provides Edeka with training on the job for all Edeka employees that work with this specific wine shelf. This, together with the great availability of NoviSign support, allows all daily questions and changes to be addressed and answered fast and efficiently. The successful completion of this challenging project shows that digital shelf screens are not only a very intelligent way of streamlining processes in the retail workflow but also create new horizons, providing the Edeka clients with a new, superior shopping experience and has the power to increase sales numbers and retail revenues. The great collaboration between Edeka store management and NoviSign made this possible.